Hi guys, in this video we will see how to permanently delete your Facebook account. There are two options available, yet either you can temporarily deactivate your account or permanently delete your account. So in this video we will see how to delete permanently your Facebook account on any Windows PC or any mobile app, Android, iPhone, anywhere. So we will see now in desktop. Go to your profile icon. In desktop it will find from top right corner, and in Android or iPhone it will find bottom right corner. So click on your profile icon and here click on settings and privacy. Here again choose settings. Settings page will now open. Here from the left side you will find account center. Here choose see more in account center. Here choose your information and permissions. Here scroll down, but account deletion option not available here, so simply go back to this settings page, go back and choose personal details. Here you will find account ownership and control option. Click on it. Here you will find two options, memorialization and deactivation or deletion. So choose deactivation or deletion. Temporarily deactivate or permanently delete your accounts and profiles. Click on it. Here choose your profile account, Facebook account which you want to delete, and here you will find two options, deactivate account. Deactivating your account is temporarily your account and main profile will be deactivated and your name and photos will be removed from most things that you have shared. You will be able to continue using Messenger. Deleting your account is permanent. When you delete your account, your main profile and everything else that you have added will be permanently deleted. You would not be able to retrieve anything that you have added. All additional profiles, Messenger and all of your messages will also be deleted. So here you will find two options, deactivate account or delete account. Choose delete account and Facebook will give you a time for 30 days to permanently delete your account. You have 30 days more time left. Within 30 days you can also recover your account again.